Hi, everyone. It is so good to see you back on the channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Wait, did Elon Musk just put 10,000 satellites over our heads? Oh, I'm serious. As of March 16th, SpaceX officially crossed the threshold of 10,000 active Starlink satellites in orbit. But that's not even the biggest news. This week, they successfully fired up the Starship V3 for the first time. This monster rocket is designed to launch 100 metric tons to orbit in a single go. As an IT professional, I'm looking at the networking side. We are talking about Starlink V3 satellites that have a terabit of capacity each. That is more than any other low Earth orbit system in history. We are moving toward a world where dead zones simply don't exist anymore. But there's a catch. With 10,000 satellites up there, the orbital traffic is getting crowded. Astronomers are worried, and space debris is a growing concern. We are building a global super network, but are we also building a cage around our planet? So, would you trade a clear view of the night sky for 1 gigabit internet in the middle of the ocean? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. If you want to stay synced with the future of space and tech, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.